How to set to landscape mode in Canva. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change to landscape mode from any other modes. Firstly, go to canva.com on your web browser. Now here, just to show you guys, I have selected a portrait mode. On the portrait mode, I have designed something. The first method is by premium. At the top left corner, you will see the resize option. Click on resize and this kind of menu will open. Again, select resize. You can go to custom size or select any other mode. Now enter the width and height of your canvas. This is premium, so I'm gonna show you a free way from which you can do this. To do it for free, simply select your project. Make sure that you select all the elements on your project. Once selected, then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Go to home page of your Canva. Click on create a design. Now select a landscape mode. Once your landscape mode is selected, press Ctrl+V to paste your project. And now you can edit the rest of the project on this landscape mode. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.